Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve keeps stopping on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps stopping on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. As you see here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox, and you can click here in this page. Then this list of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.